Hi, it's Mimi. It's been a little while since I made a video because I've had some big changes in my life. Last year, we welcomed a new baby girl into our family and I started another blog, a family lifestyle blog called indulgewithbb.com. I hope you'll join me there as well. Now back to this new recipe. It's an easy matcha cream cheese pound cake that stores well at room temperature, so it's perfect for delivering curbside to your friends and family during this stay-at-home period. Let's get started. You'll need softened cream cheese. It should be softened to a spreadable consistency, and you can do this by placing it in the microwave on medium for about 8 seconds. You'll need room temperature eggs, granulated sugar, room temperature butter, cake flour, matcha powder, and baking powder. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box below. Sift together cake flour, matcha powder, baking powder, and salt. Sift 3 times to ensure leavening agent is evenly dispersed throughout the dry mixture. And then we'll stir to incorporate, set it aside, we'll use it again later. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, beat sugar and room temperature butter together on medium speed until pale and fluffy. Next, add softened cream cheese into the mixture. It should be at a spreadable consistency. Beat it on low until incorporated and watch out that you don't overbeat it. Add room temperature eggs one at a time. Beat it until it looks smooth and creamy. Pause the mixer. Add dry ingredients into the wet batter in 3 separate additions. Stir the batter on the lowest setting. On some machines, this is the stir setting. And we'll stir it until almost all of the dry ingredients inside the bowl are no longer visible. Turn off the mixer, take the bowl out and scrape down the sides with the spatula. Gently fold in the rest of the dry ingredients by hand. This will ensure that the batter doesn't get overworked, resulting in a tough cake. We're ready to transfer the batter into the cake pan when all the dry ingredients have been incorporated into the batter. Swipe some of the batter onto the pan to help the parchment paper stay in place. The pan size we're using today is 8.5 inches times 4.5 inches. Transfer the batter into the cake pan. Bang the pan on the counter several times to remove excess air. This will help prevent any large air bubbles or tunnels inside the cake. It's normal for pound cakes to have cracks on the top after baking. If you like, place a thin strip of cold butter into the center of the cake prior to baking. This will force the air to come out through there, creating a beautiful center crack. Bake it for 40 to 50 minutes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the cake springs back in the center when gently pressed and the skewer inserted comes out clean. The cake will look golden brown. Let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Once cooled, keep the cake at room temperature for 2 to 3 days in an airtight container. If placing in the fridge, let it come back to room temperature before serving, about 20 to 30 minutes. You can serve it alone or with ice cream or with azuki bean paste. Enjoy! If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay safe, everyone.